back to another video. Well, technically the first video on the channel, but today we're in jailbreak, and as you can see, I'm in front of my truck. I have the pixel, like design thing, and I have the gold tirey roomy whatever thing, and so yeah, as you can see, I chose to go over here, even though I'm close to the prison. I just don't want to be found by cops and get arrested. And no one goes over here because they all know it's a dead end. So I decided it might be smart to do it over here. Anyways, let's hop into the game. We might go to the jewelry store, see if it's open, maybe rob it. I don't know. It has to be. Okay. Okay then. Let's hope there's not any campers though. Because if there's campers, things won't turn out pretty. Wait, it just got stuck. Help! My truck is stuck. There we go. Alright, so I don't want to be looking at this chat because, yeah. Also, guys, I made a fan club Discord, so I will have the link down in the description for it. So be sure to join. If you don't have Discord, I will have a link to the sign up, and Discord will just instruct you on what to do and what you can do, basically. So, oh no, it's being robbed. Oh, unexpected. Oh, I gotta get out of here, I gotta get out of here, I gotta get out of here. No, 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 no. Hashtag corrupt cop. Why do you want to kill me after I'm already gonna be put in prison? I'm actually gonna go to a game that's less abusive, so I will be right back with you. Right, and we are back. I'll go with this girl if it's hard. That's actually kind of annoying. No, don't let me. Oh, yes, I pressed the button. Jeez. How do I freaking thing? Oh, jeez. No, 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 no. Oh, I died. Aww. I'd rather do easy, to be honest. Medium, 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 medium. Wait, let me hit them. Thank you. No, 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 no. Yep, I'm gonna die. Move! Give me over! Oh, I got so lucky on that. I thought I was gonna die. Alright, it's just up to you and me. Yes. Yes, you better not. Yes, yes, no. Help me. Are you freaking kidding me, Gas? Yes, help me. You're not gonna get anything out of this if you don't help me. Good luck, Guest. And Guest died. Wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me! Thank you in a minute. No, 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 no. Don't take me down. Don't take me down. Take me down. Guys, I got this. Locked in. And I think we all died. No, there's 2 players left. Oh, there's 1 player left. Oh, come on, player, an easy. Finish or die. Finish or die. Spectate. Easy. Oh, come on, man. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, buddy. Come on, hurry up. You can do it, buddy. Come on. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. What are you doing? Oh, come on, buddy. I know you can do it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on. You don't have to press that. The door's open, buddy. Come on. Come on. Yay. Oh, crack the code. Crack the code. Crack it. Crack it. Oh, that was simple. Come on, just keep pressing them until you get it. There. Go, 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 go. Quick, quick, quick. The water's coming. Go, quick. What is he doing? He's sitting there letting the water come. Oh, good. Yay, it's full. And I only said yay because then I'll have people to help me out so I don't end up with a guest that won't do anything. It's like the freaking pirates that don't do anything. No, 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 no. Move. Cool. Perfect, perfect. And they have jumpy coil things so that they can get to the buttons. Yes, thank you. Even Guest has one. Perfect. You actually achieved something. I touched. Oh, wait, I touched it. Go. Let me out. Go, 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 go. I got really lucky there. Press it, press it, press it. Thank you. Come on, come on. We're on the 3rd one. Come on. We can do this. We're at the 3rd one. Come on. Come on, come on. We gotta do it. Oh, goodness. I hate this. Press it. Press it. Oh, no, 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 no. Alright, you pressed it. Oh, no, I can't. No. I always die in this one. Drop. Come on, come on, come on. There. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, boys. Come on. Thank you. Oh, I got improved agility. Nice. Oh, only 6 more wins until extreme. Turn my brightness down because it's like screw my eyes. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Put me in, put me in. Thank you. Come on, no, 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 no. I'm not enjoying this too much. No, 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 no. Oh, perfect. No one's in. No one's in. I'm gonna go with you, sir. Come on, more people, more people, more people. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. Jeez. Oh my God, I feel so bad. Oh crap! I'm dead. All right, so I'm gonna jump just to. Thanks. And then that bacon here will die in a couple of minutes or seconds. Come on. Easy is the best, and I already got through it. So let's go. Let's go. 2 players left. Okay. I'm gonna keep watching the time on how much more I have left to record with you guys because I only get 15 minutes of recording time. I've currently got 2 more minutes with you, so if I end it before we get out of the thing, or I'll still have to end it around 14. I don't like this. Move! Move it, move it, move! Let's go, let's go. Come on! Alright guys, I'm at 14 minutes up, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. So I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.